So let's look at the structure of the market on a daily time frame. While we're using daily time frame, it gives us a clear directional bias. On daily time frame, you see the market has created a very strong demand floor at 3331. 3331 is a very strong demand floor on a daily time frame. And let me explain it. We have here as SR. Support become resistance and breakout structure. So we are starting from July price action. We had a breakout structure followed by RT slash RS resistance becomes support and breakout structure on daily time frame, and a break of this blue horizontal structure. We already have another SR here. So we have SR1, SR2, RS1 is an interchange, right? And when price came back on technical, here should constitute a demand floor. That area should constitute a demand floor. It should constitute a demand floor on daily time frame strategy. And I will call this demand floor. You see, for now, good trade, I will not lie to you, based on my experience as a hunter. I don't like the position of good market at the moment. I don't like the position of good market. But just because sometimes traders have formed the habit of trading every day, but let's be honest, I don't like the structure of good markets right now. So now this is your supply roof at 56. And so we now have a floor and a roof. So that's a demand floor and this is a supply roof on daily time frame. So what does this mean on technical? You could set your trade where you go about do your business, and price will come there and react. So this is your supply roof on daily time frame. So on technical, if price plays into the roof, it's going to be rejected. If it plays into the floor, it's going to be rejected. If it plays into the floor again, it's going to be rejected, awaiting a breakout. So if it breaks out to the roof side, we go higher. And on a flip side, if daily candle breaks out from the bottom, you retest and sell lower. And as long as I know, for now, the Ukraine Russian conflict, we are still expecting a conclusion. The moment that war ends, and that means geopolitical tension subsides, we could see some reduced volatility in the market, and maybe we don't know what's going on with rate cuts from Federal Reserve, but September is watched. And tomorrow I'll do an in-depth analysis on all the fundamental data which we have gathered for the month for 18 days economic data reports. I'm going to present them tomorrow, and I will use my AI to look into them and make a constructive research to give us a clue into Fed possible rate decision, and to give us forward guidance. So this is what I have for now, and we'll continue to look at economic reports from Federal Reserve. Inflation is somewhat high in the United States. The unemployment is still very high, and the mandate of 2% is not achieved. And we are seeing the 10-year bond yield not really doing well, and the dollar index still moving sluggishly. I think the market at the moment is undergoing some observation, and that observation is tilted towards Federal Reserve rate cut decision, and we're looking at September. So this is what you have for now on daily time frame, and it's okay to start a chart on daily time frame. Now we'll have a clue. We have a clue on the floor. We have a clue on the roof. So let's see what 3331 does. 3331 is a strong daily support structure. Like I told you before, SR1, SR2, RS. And from the roof, that's a daily strong supply roof we have here as RS1, We have resistance becomes support and breakout structure, and we have another one, resistant becomes support and breakout structure. And when we broke out of that structure and stabilized, we use it as a demand floor. And when you go back to your, so you will see our price have respected there and formed an RT. We had an RT SR. That's an RT slash SR. Support become resistance and breakout structure. And we have seen that price continue buying, and shortly after that we broke out and got stopped on daily time frame. On daily time frame, price didn't make past there. Price came and reacted at this level and peak liquidity at 71.80 level, and we have seen what price did there. We have seen what price did there. Look at the close on daily candle. The daily candle close forming an M structure. At the exact neckline of that M structure is where you see that reversal on daily at 370, and I want to change the color at 370.307. You go back to your chart and you have seen how price came back on Thursday, tapped into that roof, and price dropped. So this is a daily candle strategy. So incorporate it into your trading strategy. It will give you a whole lot of relief and insight into price movement. So take time to reflect on the day, and I want to drop this mindset that trading is a probability, manage your risk, and every trader is a good trader, but it's not every trader has mindset. Develop the mindset of a trader. And it doesn't matter the size of your account, consistency is what matters. And learn to strike on precision, the way of a hunter. When I look in depth in the character of a hunter, I adopted that character. It has enabled me to always keep quiet. I'm always quiet. I do not talk. The reason is because I have precision, I have timing, I have aim. So when you put the three of them together, you make a critical trading decision, and always know that every time you take trade, you are taking a risk. So as you close the day, I wish you good luck. Bye bye.